What's going on, everybody? This is Giovanni from the Options Trading Channel. I'm coming to you with just a real video, and I'm kind of using this time as almost like journaling, therapy sessions, if you will. I did place a trade. I placed one of my best trades that I've had in a long time, probably. In ICT career, it's probably one of the best trades I've taken. It is one of the best trades I've taken, possibly the best. And I didn't go live. I didn't go live because I was feeling down. I was feeling doubt. I've been showing nothing but losing trades, small trades. They all been small, but losing trades, and I don't feel good about it. But it's all part of trading, and I just wanted to make this video I can show not only the real side of trading, unlike everybody else. There's a handful of people that actually do, but 99% of all YouTubers and TikTokers that claim they've made so much money, they don't actually show you the real work, what's behind the curtain, and that's what I'm trying to do here. With that being said, I didn't place this trade live on stream. I wasn't even thinking about going live. I just didn't think that there was going to be a trade. And, well, there's a lesson to be learned there. Let me show you. Let's go to the chart, and let me show you why I placed the trade, and then I'll show you the actual trade. Looking at the charts on the right-hand side, it's the 1 hour, and that's all we really care about. Go here. This was the reason why I traded today. This big candle with this wick here. This is the 7 o'clock 1 hour candle, which New York time is 9. So within this candle, you have the New York open. It went down to a 1 hour BISI. A couple things that are working here. First, obviously, the 1 hour BISI. Let me zoom in here even more. Okay, this is the wick. This is the 1 hour BISI that we're reacting to. There's also this other thing here, which, just more confirmation, if you will. If you take the measurement of this wick here, you get the consequent encroachment, the middle, 24,600.50. Well, I went down to it almost exactly, but obviously you can see it just went through by a tad bit. The high, I'm looking up here. The high is the low, 598.75. And so it went down 2 points, right? And that's just more confirmation. Went down to the consequent encroachment of that wick. I always remember wicks do the damage, bodies tell the narrative. So just remember that if you're an ICT trader. So it went down to it, and we were reacting. Let's go down to the 1 minute, and here it is. This is the open here. Up, down aggressively. Down aggressively, and then reacted. This is your displacement. Let me show you what I did and why I didn't enter up here, because I entered down here. Again, I'll show you the trade here in just a moment. And I took my fib tool, went from the low there to the high there, and the 50% line is right there at 648. I entered at 651, and I was trying to take it to these highs. Tanya Trades, I want to say Tanja. I always kid. Name is Tanya Trades and Tyler Trades. They took it up here to these highs. I had my target there. I just couldn't handle it. I need to get better at that. I couldn't handle it, and I ended up selling at 35. But yeah, that was a trade. That was a premise. Let me show you the trade now. This is where I'm really frustrated. I only traded my top step accounts. I did not place a single trade on my Apex accounts. The Apex accounts are the ones that matter to me most. And so I use my top step accounts, like, I don't know, just as my the side that I can experiment with, if you will. Here are the trades. I got in at 24,651. If you remember, the 50% line from here to here was around the 648 area. Got in at 651. I was in the drawdown just a hair, and then it took off. I got out at 700, 717, and 735, hoping for 760, but I'm happy with that trade. I'm just frustrated that I didn't have any confidence in myself. I doubted myself. Been at this for a long time. There's no excuse for me to be at that stage still. That's why I'm frustrated. But I still wanted to put it out there, the trade that I took. And even more, I will show you. Oh, it's already today. Go. There's a trade. Placed one trade. Made $398 after commission, $394. Something in the vicinity of about 60 points altogether averaged out. But what is that? From 51 to 35? So about 80 points. We'll just say 80 points round down. I wanted to put it out there. I debated because I feel so ashamed that I didn't go live with it. But we're going to move forward, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to live stream every day. Every day that I'm here trading or looking at the markets, I'm going to go live. I'm going to promise myself that. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. See you on the next video. Hoping it's a green trade. See you guys later.